it's Bonnie. I am here with Spring FabFitFun 2019 Part 2. And actually, you know what? We gotta get this back here. Okay. My mom and I both got boxes this time, and we were gonna unbox them together, which is probably kind of hard because there's not a lot of room back here, and now our lighting's all screwed up. This is my mom, Peggy, for those of you who don't know. I am actually 49. She is 74. Let me see if I can get the lighting back. There we go. And we both really love boxes and unboxings and makeup. So we thought it would be fun to get the FabFitFun box together, only they sent mine earlier, even though we ordered them at the same time. So I'm hoping for summer we can do this together. But I got some pieces for mine too. So FabFitFun, it's $49. Oh, we just froze. Every quarter. And then I think you save a little bit if you, it's only $180 if you pay for the year. You save like $5. Anyway, so you got the magazine. So what did you get? Let's dig in here. Okay. Hers is a lot different than mine, which is kind of funny because I thought we picked different stuff. So what'd you get?
I got measuring spoons.
Measuring spoons.
So I can cook.
Copper measuring spoons. These are from Gidadzi? I don't know. I don't cook. You like to cook. These are sealed, though. I can't even get the seal off. I'm just going to rip these open so you can see what these are. Okay. Okay, so... Oh, these are nice. Check these out. These are actually nice. Here, check them out.
Look at that. Ooh, they're heavy, too.
Yeah, here. See these? Check it out. These are really nice. Okay, so these are a nice, heavy measuring spoon. Those are a lot heavier than I thought they would be. I did not get the measuring spoons. I actually got... the picnic set, I think. That was the other choice. So that was kind of cute too. So I got that in my box last week. I didn't bring my entire box out here because I didn't want to like duplicate it. I just wanted to show you a few of the different pieces. I don't know. Did we order sunglasses? This is a weird one. You got sunglasses. Which I thought was really funny because when we did the choices, I swear I do not remember. Because both of us wear glasses, so we would have gotten the sunglasses. So I'm not exactly, well, I think you got to take your regular glasses. Those are huge. Those are really, I'm not sure I like those. They look really huge.
I know.
Oh my gosh. I don't know if they look the same. They got to be men's. These are men's. Because they look really goofy on me, too. Okay, so we can give these to somebody. I don't even know who makes these. Quay, Australia. Okay. So we got some sunglasses and a cool case. That's kind of nice. I got the stainless steel water bottle, which I wish my mom had gotten, because that's actually really nice. Okay. I got this. Here, this is the No More Baggage Dr. Brandt Under Eye Cream. That's kind of a cool thing. Yeah, because Dr. Brandt's really good.
I
yeah,
need that.
she wants the under eye cream. So that's actually a good product. Oh, cool. Look what we... Oh, this is nice. Okay. So this is actually a detox massaging brush from Daily Concepts. I'm having just a heck of a time opening anything. There we go. Let me see if I can rip this guy open here. Okay.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, this is nice. Check that out. That's actually really nice. I know. That's nice. A little exfoliation going on there. So that's cool.
What it looks like.
Yeah.
Got a handle.
Yeah, that's cool. It's got the handle on it. Okay, this is the Champagne Charcoal Scrub from Manicandar. We each got one of these. I'm not going to open this because we might gift one of these because we opened one of them. It's a lot of charcoal scrub. I mean, you could actually probably have 3 people using that. Okay, you're not crazy about jewelry. We got jewelry.
Yeah.
I don't know. What do you think of that? It's okay.
The necklace.
The necklace. You gotta go up a little bit. Up. I'm just gonna get used to the camera. Here, I'll show you. There we go. Okay, what else do we have? The Way Leave-In Conditioner. You didn't like the way that smelled.
I know.
Was it floral or was it?
No,
I can't
it just
remember.
has an odd smell.
Okay, that smell. That's actually pretty funny. Okay, and then we got something big in a bag. What the heck did we get? I don't remember this on the list because I actually peeked at your list. What did we get? It says deluxe.
It's
Oh,
deluxe.
I think this is a backpack. This is actually really
Oh, I got
cute.
a backpack.
Yeah, check this out. Oh
I
my
can go
gosh.
camping.
Okay, it's actually canvas. I think it's canvas with
Yeah.
like a leather. It's cute. I don't know necessarily if we're too old for backpacks. Care instructions. It's kind of cute. I don't know. What do you guys think of the backpack? Did anyone else get the backpack? It's funny because I love FabFitFun, but
I don't think I got the prettiest stuff. I want this.
you can have the water bottle. I got the robe, which I love. The Moo
And
Moo
I like
robe.
this.
You can have that
Yeah, your
too.
robe was
Yeah,
nice.
the robe was really good. But you know what? For $49,
I got a bunch
box,
of
a bunch of paper. This box is really awesome. So I would definitely recommend if you want to get cool stuff in the mail for $49, then this is definitely a cool box because you never know what you're going to get. I mean, they do let you choose during that open time your products, but we love FabFitFun. I mean, absolutely. And some of the boxes you're going to love more, and some of them you're going to be like, I don't know if I can use this. But for the most part, these are really good boxes. So I will link my referral code down below if you're interested in one of these boxes because we live together. So we'll just take advantage of that because I think if you use the referral code, we each get 10 or something. I don't know. I'll have to look it up. But not each of us. Like each of us. The viewer and me. I had to correct that. But anyway, FabFitFun, spring 2019. Now we can't wait for summer. I hope we get a towel or something this summer. That'd be really cool. So anyway, I am Bonnie. This is my mom, Peggy. And we do unbox FabFitFun together every quarter. So stick with us. Hit the subscribe button. We'll be back in June. I don't know when that comes out. Probably June. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.